sixth exercise. As a part of my tutorial, this exercise is number 6. I will combine exercise number 4 with 5. I will show you how to create a routing table for these 3 routers, in addition to giving excluded addresses for the first, second, third PCs in the first network and first, second, third PCs in the third network. As you can see here, that the address starting already from 21, 22, 23. I have given excluded address from 1 to 20, and here is the addresses started from 101, 102, 103. So that means I have already given excluded addresses from 1 to 100 as excluded addresses. How to combine this network? Please follow me. Before demonstrate how to combine this network, I will just show you how to send a message successfully from first PC to the second PC in this network. As you can see here, message has been sent successfully from this network, from this network to this network as well. So let me do it step by step. In order to do configuration, I will just do it quickly because it's similar to what we have done before. As you can see here, I have created my network. Now I just have to connect it similar to exercise number 4. As you can see here, the connection has been done. Next step is to configuring the routing table. I'm in this network. I want to access to this network. As you can see here, we have 3 routers, so we have 3 routing table, while we have 5 networks. So if I'm in here, I want to access to this network, I need 20.1.1.1. If I want to access to this network, I need 20.1.1.1. As well as from this network to access to this network, I need this exit 20.1.1.2, and from this network to this network, I need 10.1.1.2. From this network to this and this network, I need to go through 10.1.1.1. That's it. It's similar to the exercise number 4. After we assign the routing table, we can test that by sending a message from first router to the last router, and from the last router to the first router. As you can see here, the connections have been done. Now, next step is configuring the dynamic host control protocol, giving excluded addresses. For example, let we start with the first router in here. Now I will configure it similar to the exercise number 5. So I will go to config T. Now I will assign the IP DHCP excluded address. Excluded addresses should be as one word like this. Then I will assign my excluded address from 192.168.30. I'll start from 20, for example, from 1 till 20 till 192.168.30.20. This is gonna be okay. Now I have finished this step. I'll go to my next step. I have to configure the address pool on the first router like this. It's config T, so I will start with IP DHCP. We have to configure 4 things. The first one is IP DHCP pool. Then I will assign R1, which is LAN, capital letter. After that, I will assign my network which is started from 192.168.30.0 till 255.255.255.0. And then my default router, the AULT router, gonna be 192.168.30.1. After that, I will assign my DNS server. It's gonna be 192.168.10.254, and that's it. This is the end. And you have to assign your PCs to be a DHCP configuration, so make sure that it's DHCP like this. As you may notice now, the IP address for this one had been started from 21, for the second PC 22, and for the third PC is 23. If in a case that you want to do the same thing for the next router, you have to go to this router, go to CLI, now exit. From config T, you have to start to assign your IP DHCP excluded address. Excluded address is one word. Then my excluded address is gonna be 192.168. Of course, this network starts from 20, so I will start from 20.100 till 192.168.20. Suppose okay, it starts from 1 till 100. That should be okay. Okay, it was unsuccessfully, so I will redo that again. IP DHCP exclude address is gonna be 192.168.20. I will start from 1 till 192.168.20.100, for example. Okay, there is a mistake in as you can see here, the mistake had been assigned under address. Exclude address should be one word, and that's it. Okay, this is it. Next step, I will assign the DHCP. So I have to do IP DHCP pool. I will start pool R2 R3, for example, LAN. It's gonna be okay. This is my pool. Now I will give the network. It will start from 192.168.20.0 till 255.255.255.0. Then my default router gonna be ULT router. My default router is 192.168.20.1. Then my DNS server is 192.168.10.254, and this is the end. When I put my mouse, I have to wait for a while. Now the IP address is 101, this one is 102 and 103. The last step is I just have to confirm that connection is okay by sending ping from the first PC to the last PC, second PC, third PC, connection is okay. I will resend vice versa from the other side. Okay, the connection is successfully. I will send a message from this PC to the server. Everything is fine. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in next exercises.